Kia ora. So for us here at Whakatū Marae, it's really important to greet our whānau that are coming in for their vaccine. For some of them it is their first time or their second time, so we need to identify which dosage they're coming in for. What happens is the nurse will come out when they're ready and they'll go in and they'll have a bit of kōrero, and then the nurses will give them their vaccine, and then they'll move it into the bigger room, which is what we call the recovery room, where they will sit there for 20 minutes, and we have whānau in there that will offer them a drink and some kai.
So I guess for me, as I get just a little bit older, I'm probably getting a bit more at risk as well. So I just sort of want to get the vaccine and get it done. Maybe we'll all be able to travel again. And so, for that you're going to have your vaccine done. So it's not just about keeping me safe, but also about keeping my whānau safe, my father, my children, my husband, everybody around me safe.
So it's sort of like getting a booster?
Yeah, so it's giving your immune system, your cells, instructions to fight off COVID.
For me to get vaccinated is really protecting my whānau and actually protecting the people that I am around. It's just another added insurance to give myself a healthy lifestyle. And I think, that I don't know what people are waiting for. They should just go for it.
It's important for each whānau to make their own choices on the matter, but to provide a here on the marae, it's sometimes more comfortable for our people than going to a clinic.
We have aging parents, we have young people who can all catch COVID. I think it's important to get everyone in if we can. We're protecting everyone, ourselves and everyone around us in our bubbles.
What are you waiting for? Just get it done.